Welcome to Coach IQ. We have created a small trailer which has the summary of the MCQs of political parties. For all the MCQs, head over to our website coach-iq.com for a better and fuller understanding of the topic. Welcome to Coach IQ. Today we do political parties MCQs part 1. The first one, what does defection mean? 3 options, you choose from these. The answer is C, changing party allegiance. Now you may ask, what does it mean? Why is it this answer? Defection means when you change your loyalty towards a party, you change your support towards it, and you have been elected because of the ticket of that party. That means you supported them. But then after winning the ticket, you change your loyalty. So you get your answer C. Next, UK has which type of party system? The answer is two-party system. Over the year, the Labour Party and the Conservative parties were the main ones. Third, All India Trinamool Congress has its presence in its West Bengal. Next MCQ, fill in the blanks from the options. All India Trinamool Congress was launched when and who is the leader? 4 options. All have the same date, so you know in your mind 1st January, New Year, All India Trinamool Congress. You have to remember the year 1998 and under whose leadership it's Mamta Banerjee. Okay, so if the leaders are given and you know the name of the leader, you can easily connect. But sometimes that same leader's name may be given twice, so you have to know it very, very well. 1st Jan 1998, Mamta Banerjee. 2017, India had how many recognized national parties? 3 options again. Keep in mind the year 2017 ends with 7 and the number of parties is also 7 because earlier years it is 6. So 2017 is 7. 7, 7. Next, which is not a democratic option? 4 options are there. Now, multi-party system is very vital for democracy because more parties, more views. Federalism, the rock of democracy. Two-party system is also a democratic option. One party is your answer because one-party system means one party coming to power, one party contesting elections. So it is one-party system. Today we are doing part 2 MCQs of political parties. And every question is going to be related to an image, to a picture given in your text. First question relating to this image is, first I explain the image to you. You have a candidate and she's submitting some document to an officer. What really hits you is that there is an amount written on it and it's a huge amount, 50 crores. So that first thing you understand is the candidate is extremely wealthy. But there's another side to it. And that is that the candidate is accountable. The candidate has to submit some information regarding her wealth, her assets, her liabilities. So now the question formed is, which political reform is depicted in this cartoon? Anti-defection law, pressurizing the leaders, or submission of affidavit. Now, it cannot be the first one. I've already explained what defection is, so it does not relate to this image. Pressurizing the leaders? No. C is the right one. It is submission of affidavit. Affidavit is an official document which you are submitting with certain whatever details they have asked you. So the answer is C. The next MCQ. Here an image is shown where you have a huge person and in his pockets you have various things, various elephants are coming out, you can see. And there is one party country written, a dollar is shown, corporate America is shown. Now, this cartoon was drawn during the presidency of George Bush. George Bush was from the Republican Party in the USA. Symbol is elephant. It suggests that corporate America controls all the major institutions of the country. For you have the Senate shown, the President, the White House, Supreme Court, the media is also shown. So, this is what this image is telling you. Now, the questions. Why is the elephant shown in the image? Elephant is a huge animal and USA also is a huge country. Symbol of the Republican Party. Or C, elephant is trumpeting all the achievements. The answer is B. It's the symbol of the Republican Party. The next MCQ for the same image. Which are the major institutions shown? Supreme Court, Senate, President, media. If you see this image, you will see all this written, and that Fox and Friends is the media. So here the answer is E. It's all of the above because all the four are shown over here. Now the next MCQs that we do will be related to the symbols, that is the election symbols of the party. So the first one is, which party has this symbol as its election symbol? You can see some flowers and a little grass, very creative, very artistic. This belongs to All India Trinamool Congress. The next symbol is the lotus. We are all aware this is the Bharatiya Janata Party's symbol, and this is the ruling party at present. The next symbol is the palm, the hand, that is Indian National Congress. The third part for the MCQs of political parties. So the MCQ is, which of the following statements is true? So you have three options. So which amongst them are true? Political parties do not enjoy much trust among people. B. Parties are often rocked by scandals involving top party leaders. C. Parties are not necessary to run the government. You have four options given to you. Now, if you see A, they don't enjoy much trust. Yes, parties are becoming unpopular. People are not really trusting the political parties. B, rocked by scandals involving top party leaders. You read the newspapers, every other day there's something or the other, corruption or any such things. C, parties are not necessary to run the government. No, parties are necessary to run the government. So, you have which is true. A is true, B is true, C is wrong because they have given parties are not necessary. So that is wrong. So if you see your options, you will see that A and B is the one which is right. So B is your option. The next MCQ. Deen Dayal Upadhyay's ideas of integral humanism. What does this mean, integral humanism? Okay, advocated by Deen Dayal Upadhyay. A, wanted progress and happiness of man. B, a development model with human beings as its core focus. C, opposed unbridled consumerism. Unbridled means without any control. Or D, all of the above. The answer is D, because integral humanism is with man at its center and your development goes around. But man is the center for the development. So, happiness of man, human beings, the core focus, and it was totally against consumerism, which was a little without control. The next one, when several parties in a multi party system join hands to contest elections and win power, it is called A, front or an alliance, B, coalition, or C, movement. The answer is A, that is front or an alliance. Now here remember, when say 2-3 parties come together, contest the election, okay, then that group is called an alliance. And suppose this alliance of 2-3 parties wins in this election, they'll form the government because they have won. That government is called a coalition. So before the elections, that group of parties is called an alliance, and after elections, if they win, it is called a coalition.